Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install PowerShell 7.60 on Windows 11 operating system. So here to download the software in Google search box right there PowerShell download, then go on this microsoft.com site. So let's click this. Then you can see here install PowerShell 7 on Windows. Now you need to scroll down. There you can download the WinGet file zip MSI. So there, and you can also visit on Microsoft Store to get the file. So here I'm going to create MSI file. Then you can get or two types of MSI file there 7.6 64-bit ARM64. So simply or this going to click this PowerShell 76 64. Here you need to click on this download. The total size is 109 MB. So this is the latest release of this file, and now you can see this is the status. And here if I go back, then you can also try the WinGate and zip, and here this is WinGate. So for WinGate you need to use this command. So this downloaded. Let's click on this open folder. Thereafter double click into this MSI file. Now installation wizard that's come there. Let's click on next, next, and this here for environment register enable. Okay, this is not required. Let's click on next. This is for updating and Microsoft. Let's click on next and now click on install. So thereafter you can see this come from Microsoft Corporation. Click on yes button, and now you can see installing PowerShell 7. So here is the status. You can see PowerShell 7. Now this turn here. Let's click on finish. Then after opening their command prompt, then here let's check their version. So pwsh minus minus version. So you can see 7.60 that I just installed. If you write there pwsh, then you can enter inside the PowerShell console. If I write there ls, then you can see this list of files directory. And the second is here in search box, let's write there PowerShell. So PowerShell 64-bit app is there. You can also directly open this PowerShell that's come there. If you write minus host, then on double quote, let's write there hello world. So double quote, let's include there hello world. Now press enter, hello world, that's display. So this is how we can install their PowerShell 7.60 on Windows 11. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.